Bowman Hobby, 8563. Dice roll. We're going 11 times. Teams first. Going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. 11 here. Dodgers up top, and the Rockies at the bottom. And 11 times on your names. Going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Neil up top and Ian at the bottom. Let's sort them out. 8563. And there's your teams. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. I saw that earlier, Scrag. I actually really like it as well. It was like between that and the Kraken, I mean, definitely a couple good logos that they brought into the National Hockey League. Good luck, guys. Bowman Hobby. Bazana's bases loaded cards for the Guardians. Quinn Matthews. Matt Shaw on the inserts. J.J. Weatherholt. Fernando Cruz. Sammy Hernandez, Fernando Cruz to 250, and Jang. Fernando for the Cubbies to 250. Losaro Montez, Braylon Payne. Kobe Mayo, Rookie of the Year favorites. Ethan Salas. Purple autograph. Sammy Stafura to 250 for the Cincinnati Reds. And Chris Campbell. He was their second pick last year. Gary Gilhill, Victor Rodriguez, Walker Janek. J.J. Weatherholt, Greatness Loading, Luke Sennard. Tink Hentz, Pineda Tavares. Bryce Aldridge on the inserts, Mitch Jebb, Cam Sullivan. Dylan Cruz, Rockstar Rookies. Johnny Level to 299, pink paper for the Giants and Scrag. Carson Benj, Steven Echevarria, Nick Kurtz. Can Reptilian there on the Steven for the A's, and Woody. And guys, fillers live in the chat. 105 Purry to take 2 for 200. Top 5 get a dog.
Did you rip any Delight yet, Spence?
1 box.
Was it good?
It looks good.
Yeah. So you got a case open?
It's right over there.
Oh, it's the little minis.
Yep. Spencer Jones, Cam Sullivan. Fabian Lopez, Victor Rodriguez to 150 for the Dodgers. Gonna Neil. Trout's Catch of the Day cards. I really like this insert set. Carson Williams, D'Angelo Ortiz. Thomas Sagessi, Seaver King. Jacob Melton. Adrian Del Castillo on the red logo rookie for the Diamondbacks. And Matt Wogamuth. I'm starting to think these are 1 a box. These red logos, I think they're 1 a box. Esteban Gonzalez, Franklin. Bazana VIP, Caden Kendall on the mini diamond. Sasaki, Mejia, Javier. McGonigal, Aiden Miller. McGonigal for Detroit. Brooks Lee, Rockstar Rookies. Another Reptilian here. We have Brooks Lee Greatness and Ashley Andujar for the Rockies on the Reptilian first. Do a quick recap here. We got a random off the base paper. Victor Rodriguez, 150. Johnny Level, 299. Sammy Staffura to 250 on the purple auto. Fernando to 250 and Bazana's bases loaded cards on the insert. All right, let's random off the base paper here. Good luck here, guys. Dice roll. We are going 4 times. We're going 1, 2, 3, and 4. The Washington Nationals, John Sedenga. Take down the base paper at that break.
Hey, is Jesus made any good?
Yeah. He's like the top guy in the product.
Is he really?
Yeah. I think it's Jesus.
Is
But
it Jesus?
yeah,
Oh, I
probably.
thought it was Jesus made.
Jesus Made. He was messing with you.
Oh.
Made. We didn't hit one. We did hit a horse at 25 though.
Nice.
Some guy named Show. How do you say it?